In today's video, you will learn how to create a line graph in Excel step by step. We begin by selecting the line graph option. Once you click it, look to the top left and choose the basic line graph style. This gives you a clean and simple chart layout. Right away, a blank chart box will appear, which is exactly what you need before adding any data. Next, right-click anywhere inside the blank chart area and select Select Data. This is where you define what information the line graph will display. On the left side, you will see the Legend Entries section with series listed underneath. Click Add to start setting up your data line. In the series name field, type the title of the column that contains the values you want to graph. This name will appear in the legend, so keep it clear and descriptive. You can also include the unit in parentheses to make the chart easier to understand. Now click inside the series values box and remove anything that is already there, so the field is blank. After that, click and drag to highlight all the values you want included in the graph. Select from the first value down to the last one, then release. You should immediately see the line begin to appear, which confirms the values were selected correctly. Click OK to continue. The final step is adding labels to the horizontal axis. Click Edit next to the horizontal axis labels. Select the column that contains your labels by clicking the first cell and dragging down to the last one. Release, then click OK. Click OK once more to close the window and your line graph is complete and properly labeled.